Where are you going?
To my class, to a ballet class.
You'll be invited for the last 5 minutes just to come and watch. They will be happy. But if you guys need everything, it's almost 12 now. Should be back by 12:30. Is it possible?
See ya. Bye. Mwah.
Put it on the right side.
Hello. What's that? Show me. Wow. You had fun? You had fun?
On my screen.
You had fun today?
Yeah.
Hi everyone, we are going to Malaysian restaurant.
Guys, we're going to Asian restaurant.
Restaurant?
It's a restaurant.
Good girl. You're playing.
Music.
Hello.
I don't know, are we already filming or what?
Look here. Look here. Oh, careful.
Don't turn it, don't turn it. Let's kill them.
Like it? Yeah. What's your roti canai?
And 4. Okay. How many people is it? Mom, Mom.
Tired? Are you tired? Hi, Ron. Try this one? Yeah. Come on. What is that? Bahulu? Yeah, my coffee. Get one. Just that one. Get one.
This one?
Yes, one. And get mine 5. That one.
Which one?
That one, the Kacang Fatima. Get 5. Yeah, I'm taking a video.
Hello, Mom. I'm going to eat ice cream. Yummy.
What flavor is your ice cream, Ollie?
Bubblegum and rainbow.
Yours, Simon.
Same.
Rainbow and bubble gum.
I want to go to Laser restaurant. His name is Ghost. Papa,
Yeah.
I need my new. Hello, Mom.
Hello. Nice. Hello. What are you playing?
School simulator. Let's go to pushing me.
School simulator?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Malaysian style lamb chop. It is trying Malaysian style lamb chop for the first time. How is it?
Nice.
Nice. How is that? Nice sauce. Nice. Yep. Yes, you share with her. You said you're not hungry before.
Just use your clean spoon.
Nice.
Alright.
Yeah. Mm.